Ready to explore Tenerife like a local? This island, known for its stunning beaches and vibrant nightlife, has so much more to offer than what meets the eye. Beyond the popular tourist spots, there are hidden gems waiting to be discovered, places that will make you feel like you've stumbled upon a secret paradise. Let's uncover the hidden gems most tourists never see. From secluded beaches to mystical forests, Tenerife is a treasure trove of unique experiences. Whether you're an adventurer, a nature lover, or someone seeking tranquility, there's something here for everyone. Welcome to a whirlwind tour of Tenerife's 10 must-visit secret spots in 2024. These are places that will take your breath away and leave you with unforgettable memories. So, pack your bags and get ready for an adventure like no other. Buckle up, this isn't your typical tourist itinerary. We're going off the beaten path to explore the lesser-known wonders of Tenerife. Our first stop is a hidden beach that's a true slice of paradise. First up, we sneak into El Draguillo, a tiny beach unknown to most. This secluded spot is perfect for those who want to escape the crowds and enjoy some peace and quiet. The crystal clear waters and soft sandy shores make it an ideal place to relax and unwind. Imagine having a slice of paradise all to yourself. The sunsets here are absolutely breathtaking, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink. It's a perfect spot for a romantic evening or a peaceful solo retreat, perfect for solo adventurers or those seeking a peaceful retreat. Next, we venture into the heart of Tenerife's natural beauty. Next, we tiptoe through the Anaga forest. This ancient forest is a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, known for its lush greenery and mystical atmosphere. The trails here are perfect for hiking and exploring, offering stunning views and a sense of tranquility. Shrouded in mist, it's like stepping into a fairy tale. The dense foliage and towering trees create a magical ambience that's perfect for nature lovers and photographers alike. Hikers and nature lovers, this enchanting forest calls out to you. But the adventure doesn't stop here. Tenerife has more hidden wonders waiting to be explored. For something utterly unique, visit the hidden lava tunnels near Teide. These natural formations were created by ancient volcanic activity and offer a thrilling experience for those who dare to explore them. Not for the faint-hearted, but if you're a thrill seeker, it's an absolute must. The tunnels are dark and mysterious, providing a adrenaline rush like no other. And speaking of unique geological formations, ever heard of La Tarta? This geological wonder is a must-see for anyone visiting Tenerife. No, it's not a cake, but layered rock formations that look good enough to eat. These striking formations are a result of volcanic activity and erosion, creating a stunning natural masterpiece. Geology buffs and photographers, you'll want to capture this spectacular sight. The layers of rock create a mesmerizing pattern that's perfect for photography. But there's more to Tenerife than just its natural beauty. Discover the wonderful landscape of Tenerife. Walk through the Mascaravine, immerse yourself in the beauty of the natural environment, and admire the volcanic formations and scenery along the trail. Ideal for romantic getaways or a serene day trip. And if you're looking for more hidden treasures, Tenerife has plenty to offer. And that's just the start. From secret lagoons to mystical caves, there's no shortage of hidden gems to discover. We've got secret lagoons, mystical caves, and quaint villages that are just begging to be explored. These hidden spots offer a glimpse into the island's rich history and culture, providing a unique and authentic experience. Stay tuned as we reveal more hidden treasures of Tenerife that will make your 2024 travel bucket list shine. From the serene beaches to the mystical forests, Tenerife is a destination that promises adventure, beauty, and unforgettable memories. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your trip to Tenerife and uncover the hidden gems that await you.